Hey guys, on these 2K primers and paint and primer, you pull the little red cap off the top, and you're supposed to turn it upside down and push. You see it's got that little nozzle there. You put it in like so, push down on it, and then you're supposed to push down that way real hard. And you see it wants to fall out. So that can't be right. Does it just puncture one time and then it goes in? What's the deal? The instructions are very vague. I thought it would have stayed. See, because it says on the cap it's supposed to click. See if I can show you where it says that. Half of it's written in Spanish. Click right there. It says click right there, my thumb. I don't hear no click. What am I doing wrong, guys?